Hello and welcome back. It's Kevin Rabling. I'm so excited you could drop by, and thank you for listening in. In this video, you will learn, you will understand why hard work is so important in success. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to talk to you about the bridge that will take you from the beginning of I've got a great idea and I'm fired up and ready to go, all the way to I did it. Make sure you stay till the end. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little blue button. If you haven't heard from me before, you haven't watched our tapes before, it's very important. I'm going to put one on every week and you want to be first, so hit that subscribe button and the blue button now. In this video series, you're going to learn all the secrets that I have learned over 35 years of studies in how to become successful in life and in wealth and anything you want. So make sure you hit that button and subscribe. So this is the important thing about why hard work is so important in your success. You know, we all listen to The Secret. Many of us have heard the story about the wishful thinking and the setting and actualizing what we do. We visualize what we want and we get this great idea and we get moving and we're motivated and fired up and we start something, and then you know what? A week later, gone. What happened? We set a goal. We were very when we got down, we wrote a big list and we put a vision board up and we did all that. Now it's all fallen over again. And now what happens? You feel pretty crummy, right? Inside, that feeling in your stomach is like, come on. How can it be so easy for that girl or that guy? And I know what to do. And it's just falling down again. So, I'm going to teach you how to get over that. And that is all about work. Oh, work? I don't want to do work. That's easy. Don't worry, it's easy. I got the plan for you. So, this is it. The bridge theory, right? So when you get this idea and you visualize what you want and you make that plan, now you need to get in and build this work plan. Build a bridge while you're highly motivated. Not when you've lost your motivation, but now when you're highly motivated. Build a bridge. Draw a picture. From one side, from where you are now to where you want to go. There's a bridge, right? Just draw a bridge. And there are steps along that way to get there, right? Those steps involve putting a board down, hammering in a nail, right? That's the work. Set up your daily discipline. It's absolutely key to do that. After the first period of all excitement and euphoria, with all these thoughts and ideas and maybe somebody else saying you can't do it and all this sorts of stuff, your motivation falls away. It falls away very quickly. You need to motivate yourself daily. And the way to get through your fears that come, that doubt that's coming, is to get to work. Success wears overalls. And that's just the way it is, right? If you want to get what you want in life or go where you want to go in life, you need to walk there. If the elevator's not working, take the stairs. The stairs aren't working, climb on the outside. You need to go there. You know, the big temples from the Buddhist temples are on the highest peak in the most remotest areas of the countryside. Why is that? That's so that you know you had to walk when you get there. For the next 2 weeks, your butt cheeks are singing. And you remember the glory of standing up there and watching the sunrise from the top of the mountain. You took a walk. You worked to get there. That's the importance. When you put in the work, when you build that bridge before you lose your motivation, and you do the daily work activities, not for 1 day or for 3 days, but until it's done, again and again and again and again and again, you take the action and you know you're going to get there and you discipline yourself, you will get there. So you've got to know that all of the elite athletes, they exercise every day. They exercise in the rain. They exercise before you get out of bed. They do what is necessary, not because they enjoy the pain of exertion. They do that because they know where they're going and they know to get there it's going to take some work. all the successful people in life follow their dream and they build it one nail at a time. Take the work. It takes work. Sure, the secret works, but it only works if you get into action and do what needs to be done before you feel like doing it, despite of the fact that you don't feel like doing it. You need to do the work. Success comes through work. So I just wanted you to make sure that you understood that wishful thinking isn't going to get you where you need to go. To get to where you want to go, and you want to be successful, it's inside of you. I know it's inside of you. You need to work, and you need to work hard. You need to work harder than everybody else. While they're lounging on the couch, work twice as hard. When you feel like giving up, work harder. When you want to go to bed, work another hour. Work hard. Get the success you deserve. I'll see you at the top.